Good afternoon. Happy Halloween 2020. And I just wanted to thank all my subscribers for helping this channel make it to 500 subscribers. Today I wanted to also introduce a member of my family. This is Bob the Mearns Quail. Bob is a 2-year-old Mearns Quail. They're indigenous to Mexico, and he's a pet of mine. He's adorable. He's just a sweet boy. And he always never gets a chance to come out into the tropical garden. I figured I'd give him a chance one day, and here he is, and he's actually doing pretty darn good. He can fly, but he's just that tame. So once again, I wanted to say to everybody, all my subscribers, happy Halloween. Not Thanksgiving yet, happy Halloween. And thanks for helping get this channel to 500 subscribers. You have a good day.